Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to have a recap over this morning's trade. This is the last day I'm trading NIO. I took a $10 loss over 3 trades. I was red on 2 and green on 1, but it still ended up being a loss. I'm done trading NIO. It's too choppy. So we'll just go over this recap, and tomorrow I'll probably either go back to Apple or the SPY. Alright, well, let's start this recap. Alright, so we opened, gapped up, way up. This is like making new highs, like intraday and pre-market, every day. It hit like almost $40, which is crazy. So the thing starts to sell off. On the 5 minute, it's interesting because we're coming down to the 200 moving average, and if you zoom out on this, that's been a key level for support. So I just want to see what it does through that. But as you can see, it doesn't even make it down there. It just reverses and starts some upward momentum right at that $39 mark. This thing's really volatile. This thing's jumping all over the place. Like, man, this is right at that $39 mark. If this could break that high right before that last candle, I'll get in. So I end up jumping in right there and getting in for the push up. And I didn't sell it. This thing gets some strong momentum going. It's like a boulder going down a hill. It just starts going and going like it has been doing the last couple of days. But that's that you start to get that mindset. So I'm like, man, this thing is just going to start to go and rip over 39.50. But it doesn't. So as soon as I see red on that candle, I jumped out for a $5 loss. But at least this is good because I'm learning to mitigate my loss. It's all about the risk management. So this is good for me because these trades are teaching me to jump out when I need to jump out and just take a small loss instead of holding. So I figure I'll give this thing another try with a cheaper contract, just one contract. That's all I'm going to start doing from now on, probably. Setting my price way above, that way I get filled right away. I don't need to start chasing the asking price. If I'm going to get filled on the ask anyways, why am I going to chase the ask? If I want to hop in, then I want to get in at a certain spot. Just going, well above that price, you'll get filled on the ask. I'm not going to get filled at 80 cents. The 5 minutes looking good. I'm more looking at the 1 minute though. But man, this is a volatile stock. This thing is just tough to trade. Look at this push. So I ended up selling that. So now I'm pretty much break even. Minus $1.40. I'm just trying to do breakout trades now. Basically high the previous candle. But this is around 39.50, so this one's going to be tough. I basically bought the dip of that candle. Just giving this thing a chance. Just because this thing's so bullish right now, but I have to give it a chance. So I'm going to let this candle play out at least a couple more seconds of this candle till the next candle opens. I got to see how that one opens. And it opened down, which isn't good. Opened up below the low of the previous candle. So that was like a fake out breakout. So I just have to give it a little bit of time. I'm only down $3.50, so it's not horrible. Just see what it could do. The level 2 is not really showing much. There's no big walls or anything around this area. All the orders kind of look the same, so it's kind of hard to go by that. I don't really look at time and sales, just because it moves so fast. It's hard to watch that and the screen and the price at the same time. Right there, so on that dip, I decided to get out. So I'm down $10.60 for the day, but I got to make 3 trades. And that's 3 more trades of experience I got. So, in my opinion, it was worth losing the $10 because I got this was a fun stock to trade, but man, it moves so fast and it's just so volatile. But the first 2 trades weren't bad. The first one, I just got greedy on the first trade, didn't get out in time. And the second trade was alright. They both went the right way. This third trade was kind of the worst trade of all 3. I just kind of rushed into this one. But, whatever. Like I say, it is what it is. And you live to trade another day, and that'll probably be tomorrow. So, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys then.